Question 16. So we're looking for electronic structure. Sometimes they call it electronic arrangement. It's basically how the electrons will be arranged based on your year 9 electronic configuration. Sometimes they call it configuration. We are looking for fluorine atom. Fluorine is this element in group 7 is period 2 and group 7. So remember, period 2 means it's the second row of the periodic table. So group 7 means it's the 7th column in the periodic table. Group number tells you the number of valence. Valence means outermost. So there are 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So looking at fluorine in the periodic table, you will see 9 on top and 19 at the bottom. But that is how your periodic table give you, whereas exams always show you the other way around, because this is the international standard. This is actually atomic or proton number. As you know, number of protons equal to number of electrons when you are talking about atom, which this question is talking about atom here. So we are looking at number of electrons equal to number of protons, and since our atomic number is 9, therefore we have 9 protons, so we have 9 electrons. When you have 9 electrons, you have 2 in the first shell, 7 in the second shell, because 2 plus 7 give you 9 electrons total. But there are 7 in the first shell, 2 in the first shell, because then the first shell is full after occupying 2 electrons, and you have 7 electrons in the second shell. So we count. This thing here is definitely wrong because it has more than 2 in the first shell, so I can cross out B. B cannot be the answer. Here I have 1, 2, and 3 in the first shell, I can cross out D. Here I have 1 in the first shell, so I can cross out A because, well, only 1 electron there. Here I have 2 in the first shell, I have 2, 4, 6, and 7. So very clearly C is the answer there. So I'll just move that away, and C is the only acceptable correct answer there.